This is the National Weather Service Office and Brookhaven National Laboratory in Upton, New York. The preceding signal was a test of the NOAA All Hazards Radio Public Warning System on station WXJ42 from Meriden, Connecticut. Conducted by the National Weather Service at 11 a.m. each Wednesday. In the upper 40s. Hours likely after a couple periods of showers, one Saturday and the other towards. The test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can sometimes occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for all counties in the state of Connecticut, and for NASA. Gusting to 21. This was only a test. This is a test of the NOAA Weather Radio Warning Alarm device for WXL34. We activate this alarm for the following counties in New York State: Albany, Rensselaer, Montgomery, Fulton, Saratoga, Schenectady, Schoharie, Greene, and Columbia counties. This has been an alarm test. The showers after midnight. In New Hampshire, Portsmouth. Of NOAA Weather Radio's warning alarm systems. For the official national to warn of the impending hazard. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm feature will vary with distance from the transmitter. This test is conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, but may be postponed if there is hazardous weather in the region. In that case, the test will be held on the first available good weather day. We now return to our regular programming.